In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload and analyze Excel files in Claude step by step. Whether you work with data regularly, need quick insights from spreadsheets, or simply want an easier way to understand your Excel files, this simple guide will walk you through everything you need to know so you can do it confidently on your own. First, open the Claude AI interface on your device. You can either start a brand new chat or continue with an existing conversation. Both options work perfectly fine. This chat will be the space where you upload your Excel file and interact with Claude, so make sure you're ready to follow along carefully. Next, we need to enable a very important feature called spreadsheet analysis. This feature allows Claude to deeply analyze Excel files and provide more detailed and accurate insights. To turn it on, click on your name in the lower left corner of the interface and select Settings from the menu. Inside the Settings page, look for the Capabilities section. Here, you'll find the Spreadsheet Analysis option. Simply toggle it on. This small step unlocks powerful analysis features and is essential for everything we're about to do. Now it's time to upload your Excel file. Near the message input box, look for the paperclip icon or the Attach a File option and click on it. Select your Excel SX file from your device and upload it into the chat. Keep in mind that the file size must be under 30 megabytes, so if you run into any issues, checking the file size is a good idea. Once uploaded, your Excel file will appear in the chat and be ready for analysis. With the file uploaded, you can now ask Claude to analyze your data. You can type prompts based on what you want to learn from the spreadsheet. For example, you might ask Claude to summarize key metrics, create a pivot table showing sales by region, generate a line chart for monthly revenue trends, or even identify missing values in the data. Just type your request clearly and let Claude handle the rest. Claude will process your Excel file and respond with insights tailored specifically to your data. The responses are designed to be relevant, detailed, and easy to understand, helping you make sense of your spreadsheet more efficiently and effectively. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you can upload Excel files to Claude and take full advantage of its powerful data analysis features. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful and empowering for improving your data analysis workflow.